Are you looking for the best GoPro gimbal? In this video we will look at some of the best GoPro gimbal on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hohem iSteady Pro 4. Hohem's iSteady Pro 4 is a function-packed piece of equipment. It holds your GoPro securely in a simple quick-release mount, and from the control pad on the handle you can pan, tilt, and roll your GoPro, all while keeping it level. And once you pair your GoPro to the gimbal using Bluetooth, your world opens up. Connect your GoPro to the Hohem app, and you can use your GoPro as a remote camera. You can control it completely from the app, even to set up timed waypoints to create motion time lapses. This gimbal also contains a battery that holds up to 14 hours of charge, plenty of time to do the majority of filming you might need a GoPro for. The Hohem iSteady Pro 4 is compatible with the GoPro Hero 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3. Great compatibility. iSteady Pro 4 gimbal supported action camera with weight up to 150g, height up to 51mm, depth up to 30mm, can well compatible with GoPro Hero 12/11/10/9/8/7/6/5/4/3, DJI-Osmo Action, Insta360 1R, 4K and 1-inch, Sony RX0, and other action cameras with similar size and weight. Note: connect function only for GoPro 11/10/9/8/7/6/5 series. Trophy iSteady 5.0 anti-shaking algorithm and IPX4 splashproof. No matter for daily vlog or sport movement, even exports, iSteady Pro 4 will make you the smooth footage as always. With the IPX4 splashproof design, iSteady Pro 4 allows you to take for hiking, travel even at the rainy day. Trophy quick mounting with quick release clip, a whole new design of action camera mounting, quick release clip with spring buckle. It replaces the installation of tightening screws, so no more struggling with installation. Trophy remote control and one-clicking shooting. Hohem iSteady Pro 4 is able to switch between different working modes by tapping the mode button, quick to change the mode what you want, like 600-degree 3D inception mode, sports mode, time-lapse. Equipped with Bluetooth control module for GoPro, this gimbal allows you to get video on, off at one click for GoPro Hero 10/9/8/7/6/5. Note: does not for GoPro 7 Hero white and silver models pairing to the gimbal. Trophy 14HRS battery life. Built with 3600 mAh battery, iSteady Pro 4 is a nice device working with action camera with short battery life. It can work as a power bank to charge your action camera with a USB cable while recording. Never stop your creation. Number 2. INKE Falcon. This offering, from INKE, is another good gimbal option for GoPro users. It will have no problem keeping your image steady however you want to move your action camera. The GoPro connects to the gimbal with a traditional GoPro mount. As this is at the bottom of the camera, it means you can also use GoPro accessories such as the light mod and the media mod. With the INKE Falcon, you get 9 hours of battery life when its inbuilt battery is fully charged, and it also has a reverse charging function, so you can keep your GoPro juiced up on the move. Like the Hohem, this can also be paired with and controlled from an app. One of its best features, you can select from custom modes which lock one or more of the axes, for example, pan and tilt mode, or pan follow mode. That's creative control. The INKE Falcon is compatible with the GoPro Hero 11, 10, 9, 8, and 7. Compatible for GoPro Media Mod, INKE Falcon Plus upgrade its load weights and can wireless control on GoPro cameras. Support the time-lapse/vertical/horizontal recording, pan follow, etc. Support the media mod benefit for easy recording with mic and lining. Compatible for action camera, GoPro Hero 11/10/9/8/7/6/5. Osmo Action, Insta360. Load capacity 299 grams, easy to attach and disassemble the listed camera with the supplied screws. No need to worry the size of the cameras. 2500 mAh built-in battery, recharge your GoPro via media mod with the help of USB-C charging cable. Extend your video shooting time frame, also work as the power bank during the GoPro filming. QSIC responsive triple motors, it uses physical stabilization to bring more stable images to the action camera. The maximum load-bearing capacity of the gimbal is 200G, and it can be installed even if the media mod is added to the action camera. Sound service from seller. We recommend adjust balance before use. Please refer the tutorial videos under the image display. The unbalanced status may result in shaking and burning the motors. Record the duration time, *********. Attention: if you met any problem on not charging, balancing, or any quality defects, can always reach us. Get the free replacement or refund in the 1-year time frame windows. Number 3. Roxen Pro Video Camera Stabilizer. The Roxen Pro Video Camera Stabilizer is a relatively no-frills piece of kit. It has no battery, and there's no way to pair it with an app. But what it is a simple, mechanical gimbal that will help you get smooth footage. It might take a bit of time and fine-tuning to get your GoPro perfectly balanced and in sync with the Roxen, but once you do, you'll be flying. The Roxen Pro Video Camera Stabilizer is compatible with every GoPro. Our Roxen Pro Video Stabilizer provides less motion and shake compared to other handheld stabilizers. Our custom lower arm no-slip grip material eliminates sway. Graduated counterweights provide more options to achieve proper balance. Great design, ideal for amateur filmmakers looking to move their films to the next level. Shoot smooth motion shots in tight spaces, on stairs, through crowds, in cars, or walking/running/skating. Our Roxen Video Camera Stabilizer is lightweight, portable, and extremely durable. Including an adjustable phone clamp compatible with almost all smartphones. Compatible with point-and-shoot, DSLRs, video cameras, GoPros, smartphone and any other camera up to 2.1 pounds. Features an extremely durable comfort grip handle and 3 separate graduated counterweights for precise adjustments. Number 4. Zhiyun Crane M3 Combo. This is a professional-level piece of kit that can be used not only with all the best GoPro cameras but DSLRs. It's white, kind of looks like a stormtrooper, and has a host of features to keep the professional videographer happy. It has 8 hours of inbuilt battery life, and you can also charge your camera from the gimbal. You can control the gimbal and any Wi-Fi-enabled camera directly from the Zhiyun Crane's full-color OLED screen, or a smartphone using the ZY Play app. It also has a built-in fill light, handy for those low-light vlogs, and gives you creative filming options with, for example, time-lapse and slow-motion capture modes. The Zhiyun Crane M3 is compatible with the GoPro Hero 11, 10, 9, 8, and 7. Touchscreen does more than you think. All-new full-color touchscreen with advanced UI design and intuitive interface. The gimbal is tiny and portable like a smartphone that you can operate with just one hand at ease. Thumbs up. OFF the beaten track design and industry-first appearance design. Crane M3 ushers in appearance with fashionable white color. It definitely agrees more with your cute, compact camera. An ergonomic grip handle and comfortable material also better fits your palm. Thumbs up. Compact size but not compromised performance. Zhiyun Crane M3 is as tiny as a bottle of water. But the upgraded motors with strong torque guarantee stable movements and filming with cameras in different sizes. Please check the compatible list, and the accessory mount, purchased separately, is required for smartphones and action cameras. Thumbs up. 3 SSE Super Quick Release upgraded quick release system with general quick release plate for easier balancing, assembly and disassembly. Locks with transverse palm rejection designed to protect cameras while ensuring efficiency. Thumbs up. Unlimited gimbal modes: vortex mode, portrait mode, go mode, panorama, time-lapse. Await for your creations. Number 5. GravGrip V2. The GravGrip V2 is a battery-free hydraulic camera stabilizer that will stabilize your camera on a tilt axis. Not being able to get those seriously low-angle shots will be a thing of the past. Although its range of movement is limited compared to other gimbals, just along one axis, as it has no electronic parts and is therefore waterproof, you'll be able to use it in a greater variety of weather conditions. All in all, a very useful piece of equipment to have in your arsenal, perhaps as a complement to one of the other gimbals on this list. The GravGrip V2 is compatible with all GoPros. What is GravGrip? GravGrip is a hydraulic leveling mount for your action camera. GravGrip keeps your action camera level for seamless video transitions. Bring your footage to the next level with GravGrip accessories and easily capture those difficult ultra-low angle shots, high-angle shots, and everything in between. HOW to use? Watch our video user guide below to see if GravGrip is right for you. Compatibility: GravGrip is compatible with GoPro, DJI, and Insta360 action cameras as well as most generic action camera brands. Connect your camera to GravGrip's GoPro style camera mount or 1/4-20 threaded mount. GoPro Max Fusion Hero 1110-98765 Session 43 plus 32 HD, DJI Osmo Action, Insta360 Action Cameras. Mounting Mount GravGrip to all GoPro style mount attachments. For best results, we recommend mounting GravGrip to a GoPro compatible extension pole or hand grip. Patented design U.S. Patented hydraulic leveling system. MADEIN USA with domestic and foreign components. Includes one GravGrip V2, one action camera adapter. Construction durable glass-filled nylon, stainless steel, and aluminum construction. Dimensions 73mm x 79mm x 30mm, 2.87 in x 3.11 inches. X 1.18 inches. Product weight 69 grams, 2.4 ounces.